Hello, we're the PsyChicks. We're so excited to be a part of the Healers Network Virtual Fair.
We're a psychically unique duo. You get 2 psychics for the price of 1. We're also bilingual, so sí, se habla español.
Sí, we specialize in holistic healing, entity home cleansing, and channeling the dearly departed.
Woo! I'm Verohnika. I facilitate ancient gypsy card readings and read tea and coffee grounds while channeling my ancient ancestors and yours. I'm a medical intuitive and read the breaks in the aura and chakras.
I'm Patricia. I'm a Native American shaman who integrates a dab of NLP, a touch of Reiki, and life coaching, then topping it off with medical intuitive sweetness and extraterrestrial past life enlightenment.
As children, we both ascended after a near-death experience.
Our mission is to provide loving messages to benefit our clients that are seeking hope, answers, and celestial guidance.
Our goal, to help with the ascension, the process, and removing obstacles that cause blocks and you to stumble in life. Please join us on September 12th from 12 to 3 and 5 to 9 p.m. Join us for the following keynote speeches. From 12:30 to 1 p.m., our first keynote on
Off to See the Wizard, Maintaining Your Path.
Followed by Tarot and the PsyChicks. End of the year reading 2020. Finally, from 8:30 to 9 p.m., distractions are our enemy. How to follow your bliss. Which way is that?
Oh.
Estaremos en el cuarto número 15. Come join us in room
15. Blessings from the PsyChicks. Sorry, I was distracted.
And